fun day and keep smiling. Today we're going to do a dinosaur drawing. And by the way, I'm gonna sing you a song. Every day you have to be happy. Don't ever think of keeping that funny face on your face. You have to follow the form of happy. Whoever said gotta fix your sadness into happy learning. Okay, and I'm gonna tell you about some dinosaurs. One dinosaur is Tyrannosaurus rex, that is a T-Rex. Triceratops, Stegosaurus. There's a dinosaur called Stegosaurus, and Stegosaurus, and Brontosaurus, and the Troodon. The Troodon is the fastest and the smallest dinosaur in all of the dinosaurs, and it's an omnivorous, and it's very intelligent. Today we're going to draw a dinosaur. For the dinosaur, we're going to need a pencil, an eraser, some color pencils, and some sketches. Okay, let's start with our hand, and we're going to need our hand too. So you have to keep your fingers like this to draw the dinosaur. To outline your finger. We're done with the hand part. Now I have to extend my thumb and to make it like a long neck. We're done with the long neck. Let's do the eyes and mouth last. And now let's do the legs. Let's draw the back legs. Let's do like a standing line and a sleeping line like this. And then draw two like upside down curves in their legs. Now let's do the eyes and mouth. For the eyes, you can do it any type you would like. I like to do this the cute way. I don't know if it's gonna look cute or not. Draw a circle and draw like a curvy circle. Then color it in and leave a white circle, small teeny white dot inside. Then a little smile. It looks cute, doesn't it? Now let's do the little spikes that dinosaur has. Done with the spikes. Now let's do like the little the design that the dinosaur has. If you want, you can do it, or if you want, you can do a different design. I would like this dinosaur to be like my theme. This is the tail. Now let's outline it. Now let's do the spikes. Since the spikes are really small, we don't have to outline them with sketch. We just do it dark with the pencil. I'm done with the spikes. So now let's outline the rest of the body. Let's now outline the heart. Now let's outline the smile. Now outline the eyes. There! We're all done. Now we have to color them. Now, let's color it. Color. Before that, let's just have a little party time. Coloring time. That means a rainbow and pink. Coloring time. That means a rainbow and pink. Okay, let's color now. Now let's do the coloring part. First, I'm going to color the hearts. For the hearts, it's going to be pink, obviously, because I love pink. Okay, let's color the hearts pink now. Now let's color the spikes. For the spikes, I'm going to need something from over here. Let's use this darker pink. We use a lighter pink there, so let's use like a magenta-ish pink. We're done with the spikes. Now let's do the body. Now shall we use the color from here? Nope. Let's use the color from here. I was thinking a little bit like rose-ish red. Rose-ish red. Done with the rose-ish, pinkish red. Now let's do the yellow for the claws. Done with the yellow, 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 yellow. Now we're gonna do like a background. Now let's do the bushes. Outline it. It's color with green. And let's do the sunshine. Let's draw the sun in the corner. And draw short lines and long lines. Color it yellow. I'm going to add a little bit of orange here. Let's draw some rocks. Now to color, like shade the rocks so that they can look gray. I don't have a gray color. So now let's give a name. Mr. His name is Mr. Dinosaur Valentine. I hope you enjoyed this coloring dinosaur adventurous videos. Give a big thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Ding, ding, ding. Bye guys. Pop it up.